this short video, I will show you how to install ESPN application on your Android TV. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel if you find the video useful. So if you have an Android TV, maybe it looks like mine or it looks different and you want to download or install ESPN TV to that Android TV, here's what you can do. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it without Google Play Store installed on that Android TV. So what are you going to do in such a situation? You're going to use this third-party application called Downloader. It's a very useful application that I use to install files, APKs, apps from the internet to my Android TV. So once you come over to Downloader, you just go ahead to launch it. If you have Downloader on your Android TV, just check the description of this video. There is a link there that guides you get Downloader on your Android TV. Once you go to Downloader, you come over to this dashboard here. It looks simple to use. Just come over to this box here and type in the right keyword, ESPN TV application or ESPN TV app install or install ESPN TV application. What Downloader does is that it just goes ahead to work on the keyword that you use on it. So if I use this keyword for example and click on go, this is what is going to happen. I'm going to have a result page that looks like this. So on this result page, you can scroll through to see the various options. So these are just options that you can use to get ESPN TV on your Android TV. So for instance, if this is the right option, I just have to go over here and click on it. Once I click on that, I'm going to come over here and get to the install button and click on install. And the application is going to be installed to my Android TV. And remember, this is just one of the many ways you can use. You can also search ESPN APK and it's going to help you install the application also from downloader to your Android TV. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this.